how to upload Loom video to YouTube. So first, go to your Loom account and then just click on My Library here at the left side. Next is just look for the video that you want to upload to YouTube. So for example, I want to upload this one. Just click on the three dots here and then just click on download video, and then it'll start downloading. So once you've downloaded your video, just go to YouTube and then just click on the create icon here. Next is just click on upload video. Next is just click on select files and then select your video that you just downloaded earlier. Double click on it and then it'll start uploading here, and then you just need to fill in all of the details of the video elements. Of course, wait for YouTube to check your content, and then make sure that it doesn't have any copyrights, and then just click for the visibility, just click on public, or you can just make it private or unlisted if you want, and then just click on publish and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.